Hey everyone, my name is Kayla Roach. Welcome to my channel. That's a tornado?
Oh my god. Oh my god!
You're such a jerk.
Alright, that's the intro.
I am here with my Canadian crew and Steve. And we are at Will Nace's house and his lovely family to help with Hurricane Milton prep. This is a first experience for all us Canadians and Steve. We actually came here to go to Animal Con and to do some herping, which we barely did any of. Let's get on with it. Woo!
The first step to preparing for the incoming hurricane was to feed all the animals.
Yeah. You know that'll stay there forever. Yep.
Would you like to try some squash? Oh! Yeah, you're being bad.
No, don't go through there. Go through here. Are you gonna drop it? Come on, you got it. Yeah, bring it with you.
Did you actually take it? Oh, he did.
Don't cause problems.
Problems will be caused because birds are like siblings.
I was jealous. Here. They're yummy? Mmm. Mmm. Wash for the foxes. Here, take it. Take it. One of you has to take it. Get it. Oh, yeah.
No, that's not what
They're
you're
like,
supposed
this
to
is
do
my
with that.
collection.
I'm gonna pee on
Hi.
it first is what's gonna happen.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Yum, yum, yum.
Munchy munch. And that's my finger.
Oh, you got a big piece. Mike is out for blood. Great success.
The next step was to secure any loose items that had the potential of becoming a dangerous projectile during the hurricane. This was achieved either by storing them safely indoors or by securing them properly outside.
Useless YouTubers.
Just filming other people doing the work.
3 dudes, 1 canoe. What could go wrong?
I don't think that's going anywhere.
Oh.
I'm up.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was really sinking.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
So I want to do some quick spot cleaning. Everybody to top off everybody's water. This hurricane is going to be here tomorrow night, so in about 24 hours we're getting hit by this thing, and I'm so glad you guys are going to ride this out with me. All right, so these first ones are Mexican West Coast rattlesnakes, Cortalis basiliscus. So we're going to start with the male. So his name is Wasabi, and he is a beautiful blonde male, as we like to call them.
I like rattlesnakes a lot. You guys are going to learn that very quickly.
This is the female, the mom to the babies that I have. Now, this one I actually think is still gravid, believe it or not.
You're gonna have more?
Yeah. I think. I'm Pretty sure she is. See how thick she is?
The trio has returned.
Maracas.
Oh. They're holding tails.
Don't. Anubis. So these next two snakes are what I like to call my schizophrenic snakes. They are forest cobras. They're literally psycho. I'm gonna try to just pull the skin out of this one, give him water, and then just give this one water.
Okay.
Wow.
So far, so good.
So far not all that forest cobra way.
At least your butt's gonna look good on Kayla's channel.
They came to Kayla's channel for Kayla's butt, but now
They get a bonus.
But wait, there's more.
Dang, that was at Will's ass too. Dang, the dog's made on camera for free. Shit.
Pay up that YouTube money. I measure about a forest cobra.
So this is an albino het sunset male monocle cobra. And they're called monocle cobras because that beautiful monocle on the back of their hood. And then I'm going to take the female out and put her in with the male because of the hurricane coming.
And the reason why Will is putting them in with each other is because the barometric pressure changes typically trigger breeding activity. This happens for many, many different species, and I guess cobras included. Hopefully it brings in some positive vibes for them and, some berry white, and then we'll have some babies pretty soon here, so Will can pay his bills.
In other words, it's sexy time.
So for those of you guys that don't know, that random background noise you hear is Susie, one of my macaws.
A paid actor. Woo!
Yeah.
Do you think?
Here you go. He's already about it. Look at him.
He's like, oh, damn, girl.
He's like, hey, honey, I haven't seen you in a few years.
You're looking good today.
Right?
All right, so I don't have a lot of experience handling venomous snakes. Will has been kind enough to let me double hook one of his very dangerous snakes. He's taught me his ways. The adrenaline, it's pumping for sure.
Ooh, stroke and everything. Don't mind that.
Don't mind that. I'm a professional.
What is it?
This is the rare, critically endangered, deadly, venomous.
His head is sideways.
It's a ball python, guys.
It's a spider ball
It's
python.
a spider ball python.
So we are a nonprofit here, Nace Reptile and Conservation Center. So people do give us a lot of animals, and this little guy was one of those animals. So
He's in good hands now. Well, maybe not. in
Let's
mine.
see. All right, so I did pick up some new snakes after Animal Con. 2 are mine, 2 are my sisters. So this is a little male green squam. You can't really see it in there. And then I got a pair, which one is for me, one is for my sister, but a male and a female banded Egyptian cobra, also known as snouted cobras. These guys get like blue and yellow when they're older. They're really dope, and I love these snakes. And then my pride and joy is a male albino eastern diamondback rattlesnake. So dope.
That's sick.
The final step was both the most tedious and the most exciting, which was to bring all the animals inside.
You guys ready?
Ready to go, baby.
1, 2, 3.
There, you're good. That's good. Okay, so now we're filling this tank with a few inches of water, and we're gonna go outside, grab the turtles that are being kept outside, and we'll bring them in the building for the duration of the hurricane. Let's go get some turtles. Turtle.
There you are. Say hi for me. Couple of turtles. Got you. There we go. Couple of turtles.
They're so tiny. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so little.
They're beautiful. Those spots. In the bin they go.
Alright, and they go.
Oh, look at you.
Hurricane ready. Oh my gosh, that would be beautiful. Look at that.
Pink belly side neck.
There they go.
And we got some babies in here.
Babies!
So nice.
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
Oh, my turtle. Yeah, that's it.
So cool. This is a Mata turtle. Look how wild they look, and look at the big keels on their carapace. What a sick animal. Alright. In you go. You have a little mustache.
So cool. Big boy. Big boy.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Bite you.
Sick.
Yeah, don't put your head in there.
Good. Coral, you're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet. Oh,
See what these.
the water park. All right, we got the turtles inside. Now we're grabbing the tortoises.
Hey, buddy.
And one more over here. This one I'm gonna have to dig for. Come here, bud. Hurricane time. In you go. And I'm gonna double check, make sure you lock them all. That's it, that's all.
We're only here for a bit. Don't worry. Nice and safe in here. Well, you're just hanging out with venomous snakes. No big deal. Hi, baby. Yoink. Yoink. Oh my goodness.
His name's Charmander.
Charmander? Oh, I'm a Pokemon fan, so that's even better. The urge. Yoink.
No, you used to be so friendly and come and sit and snuggle in my hand. Now you're not. That's Chomper. I have a poor time. Think about it. I know you smell it. Bunch fingers. Woo!
Woohoo!
Can't go in there. Yep.
Holy crap. I'm a sucker for blue animals, so.
I don't want him to bite me.
Yeah, here you go.
There you go. Good job. Oh my god, herping on Will Nace's property. And it's right up my alley. A garter snake. Hi. What you doing? You ready for the hurricane? Baby basilisk. Unfortunately, these are not native, but they're still very cool animals. Well, they also call basilisks Jesus lizards because they can run on water. Oh, we got the Crocs, the swag. Crocs are the best shoe in the world. Superior footwear. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Crocs. He's like, I'm gonna get you. As soon as I get out of these fingers, you're done. Get them. Get them. Get the viewers. Teeny tiny baby. All right, the wind and the rain are picking up. There's already been some tornadoes scattered around Florida. Luckily, we're good here so far, but we still have to pack up all the mammals, which is gonna be quite the task. So we're kind of in a race with time right now, and it's getting pretty chaotic, but I have no doubt with all of us, we'll get it taken care of. There we go.
You want the walnut? Put it in there.
Yeah, he's got walnuts in here. Come on, come get your nuts.
Mom, just
Steve
put
just said that there's been 15 confirmed tornadoes, touchdowns.
Who?
3 Steven did.
Yay!
He's nice and easy. He's fat.
Oh my goodness,
it's
you're
a bit
so
sandy.
good. Hi.
He's like, dang it, I've been captured.
I've been captured.
Hi, sweet boy.
Aww.
You're stinky. You need a bath.
Oh, you're so sweet. We'll get you packed up.
Good kitty.
Basically the same thing.
Right?
Good.
It's got like a lip, yeah. Oh,
Good.
he's good. You can go in the building.
Go, Steve.
I'm just so scared.
This is for your best interest.
I'm sorry. Good job.
So all the animals are packed up. Everything is tucked away. Now we're just waiting. I showered while I still can because we might lose power. And that garter snake we found earlier is still there. You gotta go find somewhere safe, buddy. I don't think this plant's gonna protect you from a hurricane or a tornado. I'm all cozy in my pajamas already now that all the hard work is done. Now we just wait and hope for the best. There's been a lot of tornado warnings and tornado touchdowns, but nothing here so far. That's a tornado?
Yeah,
All
the
those dark
debris,
clouds.
everything.
Oh my god.
It came out when it was over there.
Oh, and it moved
Yeah.
that fast already. I was so scared of them as a kid.
Oh,
I couldn't even
so
get through the
excited.
Wizard of Oz. And I would just have a panic attack. That is not terrifying at all.
As the day progressed, the storm only grew stronger. When day turned into night, we had a fleeting moment of tranquility as the sunset painted the sky. But this was only the calm before the storm.
Good morning. The hurricane has passed overnight while we were sleeping. Thankfully, there was very minimal damage to the property. All the animals are safe, including this big tortoise. We got really lucky because there were tornadoes that touched down only miles away from Will's place, and they caused pretty bad destruction. So I hope everyone who was affected by this hurricane and all the tornadoes can recoup and get their property in tip-top shape as soon as possible. You survived! You survived the hurricane! You made it!
Good job. You made it. You made it through the hurricane.
Sick. There you go.
Post-hurricane meal. Yummy.
Oh, the newspaper fell in. Wow. All the animals are back outside now. They're eating, they're back in their enclosures, living life as usual. I'm very grateful that nothing bad happened. We are now at McCarthy's Wildlife Sanctuary. They were hit pretty good, so we're here to help clean up. You can see behind me, this big enclosure has seen better days. So there's a whole team of volunteers coming out today to help tidy up the place. And we have the pleasure of helping out too. Our Florida vacation took quite the turn, but we're very happy to be safe and to be helping others who have experienced some troubles thanks to this hurricane.
You see him turn and lift his tail,
Yeah.
and turn around the other way. That does not taste good.
Big kitty energy.
Watch
No.
out! Ah! He used to work with big cats all the time. Don't you do it.
Best Sploot Award goes to you, buddy. Hi. Wink.
I want to say a big thank you to Will Nace and his family for letting us stay over during the hurricane and for their hospitality. I'm so glad we were able to help them. So go check out Will's channel if you haven't already. My best wishes, all my love and strength to everyone who was affected by this hurricane. I am about to be trampled by tortoises. Yep, it's happening. So before they run me over, I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.